Hi everybody, Craig Stage, Superintendent with the Athens Area School District, and I'm at Harlan Rowe Middle School today, and I'm talking to Rowan Morales. Rowan is a 6th grader here at the Harlan Rowe Middle School, and he is a cool cat. Rowan, why do I think you're a cool cat?
Because I like to fly drones.
You like to fly drones. I met Rowan this fall,
Yeah.
right? At the football game, right? And he was flying his drone and he sent me some shots and I'm like, we got to talk about this. This is pretty neat. So, Rowan, how did you get interested in flying drones?
Well, I've always had an interest for it since I was very little, but not until about a year ago I learned it was a profession and people did it for a living.
Oh, yeah?
I got my first drone last Christmas, and from there I've started out, and it's grown a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. Is there any clubs that you're involved with that help you learn about being a drone operator?
Yeah, I'm in the Bradford County drone team. I'm not officially in it, but I am a learner there. And I have a lot of great guys there who teach me, and I've learned from them how much drones can do for people, and it's pretty cool.
That is really neat. And right in front of us is actually your drone.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
So this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It is a mini drone that is under 250 grams, shoots in 4K, and it's pretty affordable. It's decent. This specific model came with the screen controller. My last drone did not have it, which I don't have a phone, so this has been a big help for me.
Not having a phone would be a big challenge if you needed it.
Yeah.
So, Rowan, what do you like? Why do you like being a drone person?
Probably just because of the endless possibilities with them. There's just so much you can do with them, from helping people with thermal capabilities or just flying for a school district at football games or stuff like that. They just can do everything.
Right. Do you plan on using your drone as you go through high school? Because you're only in 6th grade. You got a ways to go.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome. Any future plans with it, like a career plan?
When I turn 14, I officially can become a junior firefighter with my local fire department, so I'll be doing that, and then I can also become a drone operator with the county, so I will be able to respond to calls with them.
Now, how do you think we can get more kids involved in drones?
Probably just getting them a start. So that's how I got it. Is my first drone, it didn't even have a camera. It was just a little thing that you bring up, you flew around. You get used to it, but those ones do break. There's definitely affordable options that DJI makes. Like, there's little tiny drones that you can get, and they shoot in 4K, and you can get yourself a start, and once you do that, then you can look into getting different things. The only problem with that is the age is 16 to get your commercial pilot's license.
Do you plan on becoming certified as a drone operator?
Yes.
You do? That's pretty neat. So, Rowan, I want to thank you, first of all. You are such a cool cat, and operating the drones, I've seen some amazing stuff, and maybe we're going to tie in some shots of you, of some shots you've taken for us, and maybe how you operate it in general. But in late September, you sent me an email.
Yeah.
What'd you say? What'd you ask? Do you remember?
Oh, it was about the drone club, was it?
That's right. And I thought that was really great. This is how much you like drones, and you wanted other people to be involved in drones.
Yeah.
So I want to tell you, I'm giving it a shot. I even think I have an advisor for the drone club now.
Wow.
So thank you for being such a great Wildcat student and a cool cat.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
All right.
Go Wildcats.